Hey y'all, this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. Instead of cooking, today we're going to do a bit of cleaning. I referenced in my last cleaning video, and I'll try to link it above, that I needed to really clean out my fridge. It's something I absolutely hate to do. I don't know why. It's not that there's mold or anything growing in there. I clean it out from time to time. I'll take a few things out and wipe down one shelf or one door on the side, but I just don't do the whole thing very often. We haven't died of any foodborne illnesses. I don't think it's that bad, but I do need to clean it out. So come along with me today as I clean my kitchen. I'm going to try to get the fridge cleaned out. And then after that, I'm going to hit the microwave, the cooktop, the sink. I'll probably save the oven for another day and clean my countertops. So let's clean, y'all. I used to use a different product on my cooktop, but I have switched to this stone 409 Stone and Steel, which is what my builder recommended that we use on the granite countertops, the stone, but it's also for steel. The other product I was using, started rubbing the low, high, the different things off of my Ignite, off of my cooktop. So now I have to know which one's low, high, and Ignite. Thank goodness I do. If I ever get dementia, I'm in big trouble. I may burn down the house. Okay, y'all, I've gotten everything that I set out to do done. I feel a lot better. My fridge is clean. That is something that I've put off for a very long time. I don't know if you could really see how dirty it was, but it's pretty dirty in there. Dirtier than I thought it was. So I'm glad to have that behind me. I've gotten a few other things cleaned around here. My countertops are all wiped off. My battery died. I didn't get to show you everything, but that's all right. You get the general idea. I'm going to go sweep the floors up and get cleaned up. I hope that you find some kind of motivation from this video. I know I really do. I love watching the cleaning videos on YouTube. It makes me want to push away from the computer or the TV or my phone and go and clean something. So I hope this helps you with that. And I hope you will hit that red subscribe button if you like this type of video. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, y'all. Have a blessed day. Bye.